guys, my name is Kishan Ravani and today I'm going to discuss the theme park in South Korea. So basically in South Korea there are two types of theme park. One is the Everland and other one is the Lotte World. So I also confused when I came new in the South Korea, where it in which theme park I should go. So basically, I want to tell you, if you want to go, if you don't want to go beyond the city, Everland is too far from the city. Almost 2 hours, 2 hour time it will take if we go through subway. So if you go through subway, then it will be 2 hours time. But if you consider for the Everland, but if you go by bus, it will be around 40 minutes, 50 minutes through bus by Gangnam. But if you go to Lotte World, that is too near. In the Jamsil only, you will get the Lotte World. So this is the main difference. The Lotte World is in the heart of the Seoul, that is Jamsil, but Everland is too far from the city. So this is the main difference. And we second we talk about the cost. So both theme park are the same cost. Like in the Everland, the cost is around 60,000 won, but in I got the tickets in discounted price, that is around 35,000 won. And in Lotte World I got the tickets around 33,000 won, but the actual cost is around 60,000 won. So the cost is almost same. Now what about the rides? The third point is about the rides. So if we consider, like, if you want to go for the more rides, more number of rides, but more number of rides if you want, then you should go to Everland, because in Everland there are lots of rides. Even in a single day, hardly anyone can do the all the rides over there. Everland, the main ride is, T Express. T Express is the main ride. But in Lotte World, if you go, main ride in the Everland is only three, only one, T Express. But in Lotte World, when you go, so you will find almost five rides that is very good over there. Like first one is the Gyro Up, Gyro Swing, Gyro Swing, and Atlantis. So these four rides are far better than the Everland rides. Only XT Express is the main ride in the Everland. Otherwise, these four rides that I told you, Gyro Swing, Gyro Up, and otherwise Atlantis. So these four rides in Lotte World is quite good than the rides in the Everland. So if you are planning to go for if you want to love if you want to enjoy the rides, then you should plan accordingly. If you want to go to more rides but less fun, then you should go for the Everland. If you want quality rides, then you should go to Lotte World. Now the next difference is that in Everland, as it is too far from the city, as I already discussed you, so Everland is too far from the city, so that's why there are so many rides, but still you find very little queue over there. Wait time is only about 20 minutes, some rides maybe 30 minutes only, or maybe not that much, that more than 40 minutes. I don't find any ride more than 40 minutes. Only two rides are two rides waiting time is quite long. One is the T Express and other one is the I think so, Zoo Safari. So this is the main thing. But in when you go in the Lotte World, so the approximate time, wait time for every ride is about 1 hour or 2 hour. So this is the difference between the Everland and the Lotte World. Because it is in the heart of the city, Lotte World, your wait time for the ride is very much high as compared to the Everland. So this is the again one difference. Again, if you want to enjoy the zoo also, so you should go to Everland instead of the Lotte World, because in Lotte World there is no zoo, but in Everland you will get the Zoo Safari also. So Everland is almost good. I enjoyed three rides in the Everland. That is not I found in the Lotte World. One is the T Express, other one the double rock spin, and third one is the let's twist. So say these three rides only I found far better than the Everland, than the Lotte World. And here also you will get the three more rides of water rides. Like in a Lotte World, only one or two water rides is there, but in Everland there are three water rides, and that are very good as compared to the Lotte World. So, and if we talk about the area wise, so as you know, like Lotte World is in the main heart of the city, like that is Jamsil. So the area of the uh, Lotte World is quite less as compared to the Everland area. So Everland is like Everland is around 101 kilometers square area, but in Lotte World like very less area. So you will get or enjoy the rides more frequently in Lotte World. But if you want to do any ride, so it will take around 5 to 10 minutes walk for the to get into the rides. But still, like the wait time in Everland is less as compared to the Lotte World. So guys, this is the main difference between the Lotte World and the Everland. If you are planning to go, so just choose your maybe in some other one opinion, someone want to go near to the city, someone want to go far to the city. So it's different as per the different person opinions. So it's up to them. So I think guys, this information is for this information is quite good for you, and you can enjoy your rides and with your family. And so guys, if you like my video, please like it, share it, and please guys subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Kamsahamnida.